Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme Narzo 50 Pro. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. When you're ready, install this free app from this developer and open it. If you want to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, okay, something broke, so I will open it again. Then click on I agree, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. After that, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android, and on the Receive next to Send at the bottom of your Realme. Also on Realme, click on the best option to personalize your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Now select Close this window and go back to an Android. You need to click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to select your files. You can also just click on the chosen ones, like that. When you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom in order to continue. Now hit OK in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon located next to Input key on Realme. Choose while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the code, or just input this key over here in Input key section. You have a lot of time to do it. When you're ready, connect using Receive button. So when I click on it and wait, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!